Good morning, Civil Tech. So, para sa mga may kulang, so ito yung inyong pag-aaralan. Para makompleto nyo yung Quiz 1 and Performance 1. So, Masonry. So, ano ba yung Masonry? Masonry is the art of working on bricks, stones, and concrete. Mason, people working on bricks, stones, and concrete. So, sila yung mga taong expert sa masonry. Iyon, construction workers who has less knowledge on the materials used in masonry and has not developed the skill on the use of the tools. So sila yung mga katulong ng mason, pero sila ay wala gaanong knowledge sa mga materials tungkol sa masonry. At hindi pa develop yung skills nila sa mga tools. Pero sila ay katulong ng mason. Ang tawag sa kanila ay piyon. Safety practices in masonry. So sabi nga, safety first. First, avoid using defective tools and equipment. This may cause injury and hard work. So ayan, no? Mga sirang tools. Number 2, use the right tools for the kind of work you are doing. Number 3, avoid horseplay at work. Playing jokes and making fun while at work cause accidents, misunderstandings, and lower efficiency. Ayan, katulad ng nangyari. Don't be a prankster. Horseplay that result in injury could result in civil action or criminal prosecution. Ayan, ginawa niya. Nag-prank siya. Binuhusan niya ng tubig yung nagwe-welding. Number 4, handle tools, materials, and equipment properly to facilitate work and prevent accidents and serious injuries. It can damage persons and properties. Number 5, bend your knees and keep your back straight when lifting objects to prevent back injuries. Ayan, so ito yung tamang pagbubuhat para hindi magkaroon ng back injuries. And number 6, use guardrails when working on an elevated platform to have something to hold on and prevent yourself from falling. Ayan, naglagay sila ng guardrails. Guardrails, hold covers, fall restraint. Ayan, para hindi sila mahulog. May makakapitan sila. Number 7, always wear safety shoes when working at the job site to avoid stepping on rusty nails and pieces of sharp iron. Injuries from these materials can cause deadly tetanus infection. O, ayan. Kung ito ay safety shoes, so hindi siya mapapako ng rusty nails. Number 8, avoid wearing short pants when working near protruding objects and structures such as wall ties and wires. Mason work on steel bars and wires. Hence, working in short pants and exposing the legs to rusty and sharp metals such as bars and tie wires may cause cuts and get infected with tetanus. Okay, para maiwasan natin na magkaroon ng tetano, so hindi dapat tayo nag-shorts katulad nito. Number 9, provide non-skid safety devices for firm contact with the floor to avoid skidding and prevent serious injuries. Pag tayo ay gumagamit ng hagdan, kailangan may rubber siya. Ayan, safety fit, may rubber para hindi madulas at hindi ka malaglag. Para ma-prevent natin yung serious injury. So, attach a rubber foot or pad to prevent from skidding. Yan, sa pagdulas. Number 10, observe good housekeeping to prevent fire and for easy location of materials, tools, and needed. Parang nasa bahay din tayo. So, kailangan tayo ay magkaroon ng good housekeeping, malinis. So, ayan. Tulad nitong nasa banner, nakalagay, good housekeeping promotes safety. Talaga nakaka-promote ng safety yung good housekeeping dahil hindi pa kalat-kalat. Then 11, avoid smoking while at work, especially if near paints or varnish and other finishing materials to prevent fire. Talaga kasi kapag yan ay may mga nagpintura at nag-smoke ka, pwedeng magkaroon ng sunog. Okay, tools and materials used in masonry. Ano ba yung mga tools and materials used in masonry? Pero sa ngayon, mga tools muna ang ating pag-aaralan. So, essential masonry tools include the following. Brick hammer, used to divide concrete hollow blocks or bricks into halves. Ito yung biyak, panghati ng hollow blocks. Tawag sa kanya, brick hammer. Framing square or steel square, used to test the squareness of a layout for the foundation of a building. So sa mga corner, ito, para makita mo na square siya, yung corner niya. Framing square or steel square ang dapat gamitin. Shovel is pointed and very good for scooping gravel and sand. Spade has a flat face or tip suitable for mixing concrete. Ang pinagkaiba nila, ito pointed, ito flat face. Ito ginagamit pang scoop ng gravel tsaka sand. Ito naman pang mixing, ang spade. Pointed trowel, used to put the concrete mixture on the hollows of concrete hollow blocks or in between layers of CHB. O, ito yung panglagay ng mga mixtures. Siya yung gagamitin mo para malagay mo yung concrete mixtures doon sa mga between layers ng hollow blocks. Ayan. Pointed trowel ang ginagamit. Next, spirit level. This is a testing tool that tests the horizontalness and verticalness of a job. Ayan. Para makuha mo yung horizontalness o verticalness tsaka horizontalness ng isang bagay, o gamitan mo siya ng spirit level para pumantay. Plumbab. It will serve as a basis to determine the verticalness of your work. Okay? So, sa verticalness, kung verticalness naman na pag-uusapan, yung tayo, plumbab ang pwede mong gamitin dyan. Cold chisel, very useful in drilling holes in a concrete surface. Kung gusto mong magbutas ng konkreto, gamitan mo ng cold chisel. Brushes. Itong mga brushes na to, ginagamit to sa concrete surfaces para gumanda yung o pumantay siya. Used to finish concrete surfaces. Yung mga brushes na yan. Rulers, they are used for measuring. Ayan, ito yung zigzag rule. Ito naman yung steel rule. Sila yung ginagamit for measuring. Wooden trowels, they are used to make a fresh concrete surfaces. O pag concrete mo ay fresh pa, at para papantayin mo, o ito yung gagamitin mo. Wooden trowels. Finishing trowels. It is used to finish the flat concrete surfaces. Pag finishing na, ito naman gagamitin mo. Finishing trowels. Steel naman siya. Ito, yung isa wooden. Ito naman steel. Okay, so this is the mortar mixer where the mortar mix. Then this is the mortar box. Mortar board. Para siyang chopping board. Nilalagay yung mortar mixture. Wheelbarrow is a tool used to transport heavy materials like sand, cement, gravel, and cement mixture from one place to another. So itong gagamitin mo para hindi ka mahirapang magbuhat ng heavy materials. Then pull-push rule. So ito ginagamit sa panukat. Claw hammer, pangbaon ng pako. Hacksaw, pamputol ng bakal. Crosscut saw, pamputol ng kahoy. Okay, so ready for a quiz? So get a paper and write your answer on it. So this is quiz number 1. So get a paper and write your answer on it. Okay. Siguro okay na yung 1/2 lengthwise. 1/2 lengthwise of paper. So are you ready? Okay, so our test is 2 parts, identification for part 1 and true or false for part 2. So for part 1, identification, identify the following statement and choose the best answer for the choices given. So number 1, they are used to make fresh concrete surfaces. Wooden trowel, finishing trowel, or pointed trowel. Ano yun? They are used to make fresh concrete surfaces. Wooden trowel, finishing trowel, pointed trowel. Number 2, very useful in drilling holes in a concrete surface. Very useful in drilling holes in a concrete surface. Chisel, called chisel, steel rule. Ano yun? Chisel, called chisel, steel rule. Number 3, used to test the squareness of a layout for the foundation of a building. Used to test the squareness of a layout for the foundation of a building. Tri-square, framing square, plumb bob. Tri-square, framing square, or plumb bob. Use, number 4, used to divide concrete hollow blocks or bricks into halves. Used to divide concrete hollow blocks or bricks into halves. Brick hammer, claw hammer, stone mason. Brick hammer, claw hammer, stone mason. Number 5, used to put the concrete mixtures on the hollows of hollow concrete blocks or in between layers of CHB. Used to put the concrete mixtures on the hollows of hollow concrete blocks or in between layers of CHB. Wooden trowel, pointed trowel, finishing trowel. Wooden trowel, pointed trowel, finishing trowel. Number 6, it will serve as a basis to determine the verticalness of your work. It will serve as a basis to determine the verticalness of your work. Framing square, spirit level, plumb bob. Framing square, spirit level, plumb bob. 7, is pointed and very good for scooping gravel and sand. Is pointed and very good for scooping gravel and sand. Shovel, spade, fork. Shovel, spade, fork. Number 8, is a tool used to transport heavy materials like sand, cement, gravel, and cement mixture from one place to another. Is a tool used to transport heavy materials like sand, cement, gravel, and cement mixture from one place to another. Shovel, spade, wheelbarrow. Shovel, spade, wheelbarrow. Number 9, it is used to finish the flat concrete surfaces. It is used to finish flat concrete surfaces. Finishing trowel, pointed trowel, wooden trowel. Finishing trowel, Pointed trowel. Wooden trowel.
38.
Number 10. Has a flat face or tip suitable for mixing concrete. Has a flat face or tip suitable for mixing concrete. Shovel, spade, fork. Shovel, spade, fork.
53, 54.
Okay, the part 2 of the exam, the quiz. True or false? Direction. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. Okay, number 1. Avoid using defective tools and equipment to prevent injury and hard work. Number 1. Avoid using defective tools and equipment to prevent injury and hard work. Number 2. Safety shoes are not necessary on the job site. Safety shoes are not necessary on the job site. Number 3. Accidents do not just occur, they are caused. Accidents do not just occur, they are caused. Number 4. Bend your knees and keep your back straight when lifting a heavy object. Bend your knees and keep your back straight when lifting a heavy object. Number 5. Using the right tool for the right task facilitates work. Using the right tool for the right task facilitates work. Number 6. Dull tools produce poor work. Dull tools produce poor work. 7. Avoid horseplay at work. Number 7. Avoid horseplay at work. Number 8. Wear short pants when working near protruding objects and structures such as wall ties and wires. Wear short pants when working near protruding objects and structures such as wall ties and wires. Number 9. Observe good housekeeping. Number 9. Observe good housekeeping. Number 10. Smoke while at work. Number 10. Smoke while at work. Okay, so you are done for quiz number 1. So let's proceed to performance test number 1. On the back of your lengthwise, so write your answer on the performance test number 1. Okay, so get a paper and again, so on the back of your lengthwise. Okay, number 1. Identifying tools. So you identify the tools. So name the tool shown in the slide. Okay, number 1. Ano tong tools na to? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46.
Number 4.
75, 76, 77.
Number 5.
79, 40.
Number 6.
80.
Number 7.
2.
Number 8.
21 lang po ito.
21, mataas rin.
Number 9. Number 10.
Ito, ano ba? Naano mo na?
11. 12.
Grade 5 na kami. Gagawin ko yan.
13.
Nasaan po?
14, 15,
Meron pa ako dito. Bilang 81 na.
16,
Tatlo na kasi lahat.
17,
Na, yun eh. Yung parang yung tinawag dito.
18,
Baka inuulit mo na yung pinapaalam sa
19,
tingnan.
Oh,
okay,
yan o.
82.
Gawa.
ilan na tayo?
84. 25.
Wala na.
3,
Bilang
4, 5,
85. Di ba
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, ito 18. Okay. 19, wala. O, bonus na yung 19. O, 20. So, what do you call a skilled worker for masonry works?
Oh, eto.
What do you call a skilled worker for masonry works?
Gawa ko yung sa school.
Ano tawag doon sa skilled worker? Gumagawa ng masonry works. Okay, so good luck.
Pwede yan.